Welcome to Biztex USA, your trusted digital marketing partner. At Biztex USA, we understand the significance of Google Ads in driving targeted traffic to your website, boosting conversions, and maximizing your return on investment. Our team of Google Ads experts is dedicated to crafting customized strategies tailored to your business objectives. Whether you're looking to increase brand awareness, drive website traffic, or boost sales, we've got you covered. We leverage advanced targeting options, including demographics, interests, and keywords, to ensure your ads reach the right audience at the right time. With our meticulous keyword research and ad copywriting, we guarantee your ads will stand out in the competitive digital landscape. Biztex USA transformed our Google Ads campaigns. We've seen a significant increase in website traffic and sales since partnering with them. Our team is incredibly knowledgeable and always keeps us updated on our campaign performance. At Biztex USA, we don't just set up your Google Ads campaigns and leave you to fend for yourself. We provide ongoing monitoring, optimization, and reporting to ensure your campaigns consistently deliver outstanding results. Ready to take your business to new heights with Google Ads? Contact Biztex USA today and let's make your online presence soar.